Stop.
Don't.
I can't see. I don't know what's the front.
Oh.
Which one's the front?
I think that would be the front with the camera,
Yeah,
right?
Yeah. No. I need to get my phone on here so I can see what it says. Hunter, it's not coming back.
wait.
It's not coming back. It's not coming back.
Oh no.
Okay, this ain't that. Wait, Dylan.
Bring it back, Hunter.
Dylan, I don't know how.
Bring it home, John.
No.
No!
I found out how to make it go back though. That's all that matters. We're going to Virginia.
Clearly, we are no expert at flying this drone, Dylan. I had it going pretty good there for a minute. Thought I was gonna smack Darla's window though.
Is that on? Yeah. Okay.
So does it just pair?
Yeah, but it says no internet connection. Oh, you can hit the start button.
Oh. It's okay, guys. One day we'll be good at flying this drone and we'll get some nice drone shots for you guys. But today is not that day. So don't get your hopes up for a little while. Dang, Dylan! I gotta take that back. Drone shots might be coming pretty dang soon. All right, boys, we're getting ready to leave. We're gonna start Darla, and then first we gotta move George. Because George, I love you, buddy, but you're like a sad old grandpa that's always in the way. Darla's a filthy mess, so I don't know what we're gonna do. Darla needs tires. She has a bar. I don't know. Darla just likes to stress me out sometimes, and I don't know why. It's just normal maintenance on a car. So we gotta do new tires because the front tires are basically bald, and we're taking it on a 5-hour trip. So we'll see you guys then. All right, boys. Well, we have officially made it to the first stop at the gas station. We didn't even make it that far. We're not even an hour away from the house. I think we're like 20 minutes away. We need gas, so we're filling up Darla, and then hopefully we should be good to go for a couple hours, and hopefully make it there. But I can't. Yeah. I think we might have to stop for one more. Hold on, let's see how this goes. All right, Hunter. This thing is so low. That's it. Hunter's driving my new car. Well, potentially. Yeah, Burbles too. Oh. Get on it, Hunter. Where can we turn around at? I don't know. We're just gonna go in this little neighborhood right quick. Yeah. Dude, this is nuts. Oh shit. Oh man, the ride is so rough. I cannot wait to get those springs in. Yeah, we definitely need to get springs in. Second gen short. Oh, it's long bender. But it's nice. It's nice. It shoots. No. You hear that echoing off the wall? Yeah, don't sound bad. I mean, it's not quite. Don't sound quite as good as Darla. You gotta get on it on this road now. It shifts smooth. I don't have any problems with it. Like, it doesn't have any shifting problems. just have to make sure he has the springs with him so we can put the springs on.
Oh yeah, and those wheels. I want all that shit.
Or we have to follow him back to the house or something.
Yeah, which would be fun. They might have. That was not full throttle, right?
No.
Please tell me it wasn't, because I was expecting a Darla pull.
That is... That's not full throttle.
How does he drive? Dude, the front was lower than this. How did he drive that?
I don't know. But, yeah. Pulls are not going to be fun until we get those springs on, dude. That is crazy.
Oh, man. Yeah, it rides really bad.
Like in South Carolina, I'm a spotter right now. Dang. I just see Dylan. Dylan finally got a Mustang. And it's better yet, it's a cane. Dang. I don't think I've ever been so excited in my entire life. It is slammed though. It is slammed. So we do have some work to do. I know for a fact we gotta fix. It doesn't. It's on Godspeed coilovers, and it's slammed. So we definitely gotta fix that. It has no springs. The springs are completely cut out of the back, but we have the springs, so we just gotta put them on. I know he adjusted them for us, so we didn't rub the oil pan all the way home. But guys, we have like 5 hours. We have like 5 hours, and it's gonna be a cool. So just stay tuned for that. How does it feel, Dylan?
It's not fun. Besides speed bumps, is that stupid?
Yeah, no, that thing is whoa. Dylan, come here. Look at you. Don't go forward. You're already touching.
Really?
Yeah. Dang, you can't even fit a car over. Man, it looks good though, dude. It looks so good. Show him the sauce. Show him the sauce. Show him the sauce. You guys will see what that does later. Alright guys, so we're getting gas right now. We're both filling up. Both cars were below 50 miles, so we immediately had to do it. But by the time we get home, it's gonna be like almost 11 o'clock at night. That's gonna be a long night. But I don't think I've never been so happy to like have one of my best friends, like not even my best friend, my brother, my freaking brother, get the same car that I have so we can both cruise around together. But that thing is rowdy. Oh my god, dude. That thing is fucking rowdy! Oh my god, guys! That thing is rowdy! Did you see those freaking flames? All right, boys. That's it. That's it. Darla needs flames. Darla needs flames like now. Like she needs flames yesterday. That car is so cool. Like that. Oh my God, dude. All right, now I've had some pretty good moments in my life, but I reckon that the most fun I think I've ever had in my whole life was going through windy roads with me and my best friend in both of our 5.0 Mustangs. This is just insane. I think this might be one of the best days I think I've ever been alive. You, sir, are going to go to jail with this thing.
Wait, is this illegal?
Definitely.
Do you see all this?
Beats me, but you're not taking it off. That thing is sick. Did you guys see the video?
Yes, dude, I literally.
Bro!
That's crazy.
Oh, Hunter. We're at Sheets now. I'm gonna go pee, but I'm definitely running over to Chick-fil-A and grabbing
Do you see all the
All
smoke
right.
that's coming out of that truck right there?
Yeah.
That's what my car looked like.
Boys, this is probably the most badass car I think I've ever seen bought. Like, it has its problems, don't get me wrong. Like the springs, we definitely need to put the springs on, but that's definitely gonna happen. We got the springs inside the trunk. They're very, we're gonna put those on very, very, very soon, because this thing it scrapes almost anything and everything, obviously because it's slammed. But man, this thing is badass. The flames that it shoots, just from how it looks just sitting, man, this is one of the cleanest s197s I think I've ever seen in my life. But with that all being said, we got like another, I don't know, 4.5, 5 hours to go. So we're gonna leave it at that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. You all have a wonderful night.